Now I call Sri Macmillan Bersat.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, thank for you giving me the opportunity to participate in the budget discussion. I rise to support the budget tabled by the Honourable Chief Minister. I have gone through the entire budget. All important sector has been included in the budget. This is a comprehensive budget. I congratulate the Honourable Chief Minister for tabling this comprehensive budget in this August House. Mr. Speaker, sir, I will be specific. Since the time is constrained, I will be specific. I would like to bring to the attention of the government and this August House. For many decades, Nong Stoin has been neglected for various development projects by the past government. Mr. Speaker, sir, for information of the House, Nong Stoin is the central part of the state of Meghalaya. If we measure it from end to end lengthwise, I think the people of the state, they realize that. Nong Stoin is the central part of Meghalaya if we measure from Tura and from Jainti Hills. Mr. Speaker, sir, even though Nong Stoin is the district headquarters of the state, is the district headquarters of West Kazal district, it appears that the past government has so far neglected to develop our district. Mr. Speaker, sir, for information of this House, the government of the day, under the able leadership of the Chief Minister of Sri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and all the Honorable Minister, various developmental projects has been taken place in our district, in my constituency, be it road connectivity to different localities of Nong Stoin, and so many highways crossing my constituency, like Nong Stoin, Nong Luai, Wakaji Road, Nong Stoin, Rembrai, Krishai, Chigao, connecting to Kahoti Road, Nong Stoin, Mawait Road, water supplies, and various developmental projects has been taken place in our constituency by this government. Mr. Speaker, sir, taking into account, in short, it shows that the government of the day paid special attention to develop West Kazal district. Mr. Speaker, sir, since the time constraint, before I conclude my speech, I would like to bring to the kind attention of government the following few points, which require to be attended to by the government of the day. Number one, I request the government of the day to kindly take appropriate measure for the early resuming of regulated coal mining in the state of Meghalaya. Taking into consideration the observation made by the Honorable Supreme Court by order 3rd of July 2019. And number two, improvement of Nong Stoin Town Road and to expedite the Nong Stoin Urban Water Supply Scheme. Mr. Speaker, sir, number three, construction of a new school building for Sip Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, which is one of the oldest school in Meghalaya. Established in the year 1857 during the British government. Number four, shortage of equipment at Civil Hospital Nong Stoin, light X-ray machine, scanning, ultrasound, etc. Number five, upgradation of Nong Kencang Sub-Center to Primary Health Center. This sub-center has been approved by the government, but now we are still awaiting the sanction from the government. And number five, Mr. Speaker, sir, to expedite the construction of the Eklavya School at Nong Stoin. Number seven, to kindly take up appropriate action that JJM and PMGSY could be taken up in the census town. Since for the last 1 year, after the introduction of the JJM and PMGSY scheme, it could not be taken up within the census town. Therefore, I request the government of the day to kindly take up instruction with the government of India for this scheme. Number 8, Mr. Speaker, sir, I request the government of the day, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, to kindly take appropriate measure with the Autonomous Council for codification of the land tenure system of the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. Because this council, they can exercise under para 3(1)(a) to codify the land tenure system of the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo so as to protect the interests of the tribal people of Meghalaya. I give my special thanks to the Honorable CM of this Council, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, because they have already initiated for the codification of the land tenure system of the Khasi within the KHADC. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, creation of a new district within our district, as requested by the local MLA, in my considered view, it is genuine. And I request the government of the day that the creation of a new district at Mairang, as requested by the local MLA, should be considered within this year. Mr. Speaker, sir, since the time is constrained, that is my submission before this August House. And I hope the point raised is required to be attended by the government of the day. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would like to resume my seat.
Thank you. Now I call upon
Mr. Macmillan had mentioned about the water supply project of Nongstoin. So that project also, sir, it's already on. He had mentioned about the fact that the land tenure system needs to be codified. I think it's a very positive step, and definitely the other district councils can be asked to follow the similar structure. He mentioned about the Sepsing Higher Secondary Memorial School, and that aspect also is something that all the government schools we are working on. I will discuss with him separately, and in the next financial year, we will try to see how we can work out. And I could see a smile on your face, sir, when I was mentioning about the points you mentioned, because the last he mentioned about the Mairang district. So, so that also we'll be discussing, and we'll be examining these aspects also. So he mentioned about the Nongkinjat sub-center to PHC. So the health department is examining all the proposals wherever necessary. We are looking at improving that. Mentioned about civil hospital, the machines. Definitely it's an area where the machines are required. Definitely I can assure you that this is an area where I will definitely look into, because this is health concerning aspect. This is very important. Mr. Weiler.